Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming updates and having administrator access. This reduces false positives and permission problems. Once done, disconnect unknown USB devices and close unnecessary apps to avoid interference. Next, open Edge and do not click the alert. Instead, use Task Manager to end suspicious processes if they're active. Make sure to note when the alert appeared and what you downloaded recently, because that context guides cleanup and prevents repeating the mistake. Now run a full Windows Defender scan and use Edge's cleanup tool to remove harmful software. This targets hidden binaries and unwanted helpers. Once scans finish, go into Edge extensions and uninstall anything unfamiliar, then reset settings to default to clear altered homepages or proxies. Additionally, inspect startup and programs for recently added items and uninstall suspicious software. These steps remove persistence mechanisms. Finish by clearing Edge cache and cookies, change passwords for accounts accessed on the device, and enable two-factor authentication where available to limit fallout. Reboot the PC, reconnect to the network, and verify the virus alert no longer appears in Edge. If the alert persists, boot into safe mode and run another scan, or use a rescue USB tool from a clean machine. This recovers control when active malware blocks normal cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.